Okay, so here we're gonna evacuate and recharge the AC on this HHR. So we've got our machine here, our little cool tech, and then you've got high pressure line and a low pressure line on the AC system. It's gonna be charged with 134A, and then this system has got a receiver dryer on it. It's got a TXV, or thermal expansion valve, and that basically controls how much refrigerant is going through to the evaporator, which is basically a small radiator that blows the, or that allows the refrigerant to go through it and gets nice and cold, so when the blower motor turns on, it blows the cool air into the cabin. So we've got our low side and our high side readings. The high side's not that high right now, and then the low side is too high right now because the car is not running, but we're going to go ahead and evacuate the system or cover it. So we got our fittings on here, and then you twist them all the way to the right to open. The lines have straighter valves on them. So we're going to go ahead and recover. When it recovers the system, we'll know when it's got it all out, because it'll go to, it says negative 30 on here, but it's actually 30 inches of vacuum. So negative 30 inches of mercury, 30 inches of vacuum. And then when we charge it back up, we have a chart here that you go by ambient temperature as to what your low and high pressure should read. So it's about 75 degrees in here. So low pressure should be about 40 and high should be about 160. So when we charge it up, that's what we should get. So it's taking all the refrigerant and sucking it back out. It sucks the oil as well. The system's got refrigerant oil. It sucks it, so we put it in there. The refrigerant goes back in the can. Where it can be recycled. So it's recovered about 6 ounces, almost half a pound. Okay, so our pressure's negative 30, so 30 inches of vacuum. You can see it's past the zero on there. So we know we're at full vacuum, but it's just going to keep recovering for a couple minutes, make sure it gets all of it out. So we'll come back to it. So now we drained our oil. It goes in this little reservoir here. So drained oil. Full vacuum still. So we've recovered all the refrigerant out of the system, and it's holding the vacuum. You can also check for leaks this way too. You can see if it holds a vacuum for a certain amount of time. And if it's got a leak, it'll start to lose vacuum on the higher or low side. So recover complete. Recovered almost a pound. It's got oil in the bottle. So let's see here. We're going to go ahead and charge. We'll charge Oh, not 2 pounds, that's for sure. Charge of 13 ounces, exactly what we took out.
Hello, user.
So it's charging.
Nah, it's still removing stuff.
12 ounces,
Why you doing that?
13 ounces. Charged. We're gonna start the car. We'll go ahead and put the AC on maximum, and we'll have the blower motor on high, and put it on recirculating. Disconnect the high side so we don't blow this up. So the low side only is connected. Let it cycle through. Be able to feel this line. This is low pressure line, the fat line here. Be able to feel that. This will be really cold. See the pressure going up. Our temperature as well. So this is hooked up inside the vent. So it's reading 58 degrees. You could use a little bit more. Usually you want to get a about 48, 50 is a good temperature to be at. You can get it cooler, but so that's how you charge it. Alright, so we're gonna check the pressures on the high side as well. So we're at, let's see, about 25 and 130. It's supposed to be at, I think it was about 40. Yeah, 40 and 160, so we're a little low. We can put some more in. Basically, to put it in, you just hit charge again, and then you just add a little more. That only adds about 4 more ounces to it. So that's how you charge and vacuum and recover the AC.